Zoe, what do you have there?
I have ordered a toy.
From?
Yeah.
What toy is that?
The white toys.
Ryan Toy Review. Sige nga, buksan natin. Show them. So, we're gonna unbox this toy. Ryan Toys Review. O Ryan's World. Lagi niya kasing napapanood yan sa YouTube. Alam nyo na pag napapahawak ng cellphone yan. You always watch him, di ba? Ryan? Ha? So, bubuksan namin. Di ko nga alam kung anong laman nito eh. What's inside?
Squishy.
Ha?
Squishy.
Squishy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Ha?
Not open.
Say hi to the people.
Hi.
What's your name? Say what's your name?
Zoe.
How old are you?
2.
What's my name? Papa.
Papa Swallow.
How about Mama? Mama?
Mama.
Mama what? Ano? Mama?
Mama.
Jo?
No.
Jonah. Uy! It's open!
No,
Okay.
what's it?
Okay, open it. Show them what's inside.
Hi.
Come, let's open it. Uy! Uy! What's inside? Show them. What's that? Show them.
I'm a
Yan yung
toy.
laman. What's this? A frog? Dinosaur?
Yeah.
What color is the dinosaur?
This
Color?
red,
Is it red and?
white, and yellow.
Anong red and yellow? Tama nga naman.
I see you do read.
Oh, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Are you happy? Zoe, are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
I love you too.